Somebody get over there, would you? This is a two-man saw. Come on. Okay. Well, hey guys, what's going on? And welcome back to the cabin. Beautiful, beautiful evening here. Temperature somewhere around, I think, 60 degrees. Just beautiful out. Starting to cool off a little bit though. It's getting late in the day. And anyways, I was just out trying out this old school saw, as you seen, and now I found this thing on the property, and it's not in too bad a condition considering. Let's have a quick look at this. All right, let's have a look at this thing. You know what, all things considered, it's not in too bad a shape. I've seen worse. It's a bit rusty. It does have a broken handle. The teeth aren't too bad. One broken tooth, but that's it. That's not too bad. Now, at the first of this video, you saw me sharpening this saw, but all I really did was just put a quick edge on it. It definitely needs more attention. So how these old saws work, these teeth here, well, first of all, these saws work better with two men. It's definitely a two-man, well, that's why I call it a two-man crosscut. One man on each side, push, pull, push, pull. It's, I'll tell you what, this is hard to run by yourself. Anyway, how it works, you have your cutter teeth. So these are your cutters. And then these teeth here are called rakers. Similar to a chainsaw, just works a little bit differently. So these teeth, as you push and pull, they cut. And as you do, these rakers act almost like a little chisel right here. And it just kind of chisels the chunks of sawdust out. Yeah. So I was really just trying it out for fun, just to see what it was like. Well, let me put it this way. I'm not going to give up my Husqvarna anytime soon. But however, you know, it's fun to have these old saws and see how it was done at one time. And I can tell you, this is definitely a workout. You know, even if you had two men on this, it would be a lot of work if you run this all day. If you had to cut 5-6 cord of wood, buck it up or something, man, I'll tell you what, those guys must have been in really good shape. Anyways, I think what I'll do is I think I'll refinish this saw. put it on my list of things to refinish. I would like to clean it up, clean all the rust off of it, get it sharpened up correctly, put a new handle on it, and do what with it? Good question. Probably just hang it up in the cabin and have it in case you ever need it. Who knows what might happen? Crazy world we live in. I suppose if it all falls apart, you know, worst case scenario, no gas or something, you could use one of these to cut some firewood. And as a bonus, you'd be in really, really good shape. Okay, I will stand you right here for now. And I want you to watch how it's done. Okay guys, it's time for the main feast. Now for this recipe, you're going to need a few things. Obviously bacon for a bacon pot pie. I know somebody's going to comment and say there's no potato. I know I don't have any potatoes right now, so I'm just going to have to make do. But you should have a potato, an onion, a green pepper, a pound of ground meat, spices. This is what I'm going to use. I don't have much left, but I'm going to use what I have. It's roasted garlic and beer spice. And you'll also need an 8-inch cast iron pan. Now, thing is, you're going to want, for your meat, you're going to want something lean, okay? Extra lean ground beef or moose or deer, anything that's lean, but not something that's too fatty, like regular ground beef, because what happens when this cooks, when you take the pie out of the pan, all of the fat stays behind, and it's actually a lot. So if you use like a regular ground beef or something real fatty, it could spill over in the oven and make a real mess. So you've been warned. You need something really lean. Well, that was good. And that's the end of another perfect day here at the cabin. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the old thumbs up button. I do appreciate the support. If you're new, subscribe. Bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos. And definitely leave me some comments below. I look forward to those. Anyways, you guys hang in there. Take care. And we will see you soon back here at the cabin.